then this one was a little bit wider, and then the 73 was a little bit wider. This is the boat tails. I'm talking about the back, the rear window and all that. I know online I looked it up, and just for the rear window, because they're so hard to find, just those rear windows are selling for $5,000. That's the curved glass. Like that, they're really hard to find. Track, there's a cable that goes around to open and close it. It needs to be cleaned. You just take off the inside part. It drops down real easy. You just get in there and you have to actually take it apart and clean it. But other than that, the car's tip top. The engine runs great. The tires are all brand new. I put them on last summer. They have less than 1,000 miles on them. The master cylinder and all the brake lines are brand new. The gas tank is brand new. Most of the seals, the doors and windows have all been replaced and brand new. It runs like a top, man. It runs great. I used to drive it every day. I bought it so I could drive it every day. So. I never used them, so I know they work, but I never used them. Just hook it into here, like that, and you put it in the thing. It's too small for me, I can't wear it, but that's how it works. But with a car being this old, you don't have to wear the shoulder strap. I bought it from a guy in Kearney. They actually owned the Anthony Pontiac dealership. He had a friend of his who was a neighbor that had it sitting in a barn for 25 years, and he wanted to sell it. So I saw it sitting on the lot. I was going to buy a brand new car, and I saw this one sitting there, and I asked him about it, and it was before he did before the gas tank and the brakes and everything. So I kept going back there every couple of weeks until he got it all done, and then I bought it from him. It was about 2 years ago now. So, and it was just chilling out in the barn. The guy that owned the dealership had his top mechanic go through it and make sure everything, which is hard to find because the aftermarket ones were split. But the dashboard's all original, the wheels, the seats, everything. The only thing in here that's not original is these two things. I could take these out in 5 minutes.